Welcome on board JetBlue's first A220. The aircraft is the newest type to join the carrier's fleet, and with 70 on order, it will not just replace the Embraer E190s in service, but also dramatically change the way the airline operates. It can fly significantly further more efficiently than the older planes, and could eventually be used for transcon markets or even some transoceanic routes. But for now, we're on board with JetBlue's Maria Stoyanova, Director of Product Development, to talk through some of the design decisions involved in bringing the cabin to life.
Here is our newest and sleekest maybe creation. It looks small on the inside, but as you can tell, the height of the ceilings, the huge windows, the aisle, the width of the aisle and the seats is superior to everything else in this class, especially when it comes to a regional jet. Trying to infuse our brand identity throughout the cabin in ways that probably not many carriers would do. We're not just slapping a logo and calling it a day. We try to have our brand integrated in the experience in multiple and different ways. They're really easy to close and open. It does not require the additional strength that you need to have to push it up. Very well supported. They're very well optimized. We've actually included pretty big placards for customers to educate them how to store their luggage because usually it's quite a process at boarding. This aircraft is meant to eventually substitute the E190 fleet. We've preserved the seatback entertainment. So we're maintaining that multi-screen experience that our customers love. They're free Wi-Fi, full, fast, and free, and all the features that you would expect on any in our new fleet and retrofit fleet.
And so there you have it, a new plane built on the foundation of JetBlue's passenger experience focus while taking advantage of the opportunities the A220 brings to the table. Look for it flying between Boston and Fort Lauderdale by June, and many more routes from there.